Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. Today we continue our learning series about the topic how to understand Austrians. In this video we take a look at the modal verbs can, may and must and how to use them in Austrian German. By the way, if you want to know more about a specific word or phrase in Austrian German, please let me know in the comments below. The learning goal of this video is how to use the modal verbs can, may and must in Austrian German. In general, can means können, may is dürfen, and must means müssen in German. In written form, Standard German is used in Austria. But in spoken form, you often come across the verbs in dialect. With Austrian accent, the modal verbs may sound like kinna, dürfen, müssen. Now let's take a look at the usage of können or kinna. Ich kann, I can. Du kannst, you can. Er, sie, es kann. He, she, it can. Wir können, we can. Es Kinds, you can, plural. Sie können, they can. So we can see that in Austrian German it is much more difficult to use the modal verb can than in English. In Tyrol and Vorarlberg you may often hear kannst or kannst. Now let's turn to the modal verb may. Ich darf, I may. Du darfst, you may. Er, sie, es darf. He, she, it may. Wir dürfen, we may. Es darfst, you may, plural. Sie dürfen, they may. Finally, let's analyze the verb must. Ich muss, I must. Du musst, you must. Er, sie, es muss. He, she, it must. Wir müssen, we must. Es müsst, you must, plural. Sie müssen, they must. In Tyrol and Vorarlberg you will come across muss. So much for the modal verbs can, may and must in Austrian German. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next Austrian German tutorial. Have a nice day. Auf Wiedersehen.